Hey, this is David Miller with the Miller Realty Group of Keller Williams Realty, and the new stats came out by the Orlando Regional Realtor Association, and I wanted to interpret that data for you. So as you know, we had the hurricane a couple months ago, and that did slow everything down, but I will tell you that we are back up to speed from a real estate perspective. The sales for last month, the month of November, were up 8% compared to this time last year. So as a whole, and within the Central Florida area, we did about 2,735 transactions. So that's better than last year, and that's a very strong month considering that's the month of November, and usually everybody takes off the week of Thanksgiving, so that's very good. I will tell you this, if we take a look deeper into those sales, distressed sales do continue to drop. Out of those 2,735 sales, only 6% of those were distressed sales, which is classified as either bank-owned properties or short sales. Now, I'll tell you this, short sales will be picking up in 2018 because a lot of folks that had 10-year ARMs are about to expire or have expired, which really raises their monthly mortgage. And I've already seen so far the last 6 months quite a few short sales start to hit the market that I haven't seen in quite a while. So I do expect that to go up in the year of 2018, which is next year. The median price continues to go up. The median price is $224,000. That's 11% more than last year. If we drill down on that and look at single family homes, it's around $240,000. And that's 9% more than last year, which is great. That really shows our rate of appreciation that is currently occurring in the market, and that is still very strong. If we look at the inventory of homes continues to drop. Matter of fact, we're down to only 8,294 homes, 8,294 homes out there in condos, and that is down about 11% compared to last year. So there is still a shortage of properties out there, which is great if you're a seller, because as a seller that gives you leverage to negotiate the best price and terms. And from a buyer perspective, it makes it a little bit more difficult to find the property you're looking for. Once again, very important that you're hooked up with the right realtor that can help you find those properties. And lastly, if we look at the interest rates actually went down below sub 4. So they're at 3.96. The average sale that did have a loan in November was 3.96. It went down from 4.03. So that's still really low. So once again, as long as the interest rates stay low, that's going to keep the demand high. And as long as the demand stays high, that will keep the inventory low. And as long as the inventory stays low, that will allow us to continue to appreciate. Now, what does go up always comes down. I don't really see that until maybe the end of 2018. So if you are thinking about getting your house on the market, next spring would be the ideal time to do that, because that will be right before the peak in the market. So make sure that you do that. And before you bring a realtor in, you do not need to have your house exactly the way you think it needs to be. Always bring a professional realtor in before you do any type of work to the house, so you can make sure that you are working on the right things, and the things that you work on, you're going to get that money back. So hope this has been beneficial to you. Hope you guys have a happy holiday season. If you need our help on anything, feel free to give us a call on the number down here, and we'll be glad to help you out. All right, you take care. Thanks.